Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the Office version, because the steps differ slightly between perpetual licenses and Microsoft 365. Once done, locate the product key or confirm the Microsoft account tied to the license. This is crucial for reactivation. Next, launch Word as an administrator to avoid permission blocks. This immediate start reduces delays and explains why some commands below require elevated rights. Make sure to have internet access, then move to the next slide to replace or re-enter the key properly. Now you swap the key or sign in, open File, then Account, and choose Change Product Key or Sign In if using Microsoft Account Activation. If the key is rejected, perform an online repair via Control Panel to refresh licensing files. This often fixes corrupted activation data. For volume or persistent issues, run the Office licensing script. Open an elevated command prompt in the Office install folder and use cscript osp. VBS with the INPKey command. These steps target licensing components that commonly fail. Finish by restarting Word and verifying activation under File, Account. You should see product activated or your subscription name. If activation still fails, sign out of Office, clear Windows Credential Manager entries related to Office, then sign back in. This refreshes tokens and can solve account mismatches. As a last resort, repeat the repair and rekey steps before contacting Microsoft support. You keep time and avoid unnecessary escalation. One quick tip: check system date and time. Incorrect settings block activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.